For months, speculation has been swirling around about Bollywood star Ranveer Singh allegedly producing a new Shaktiman project in collaboration with the original superhero himself, Mukesh Khanna. The buzz suggested that Singh was not only keen to acquire the rights but also set to play the iconic role. However, the actor's team has now set their record straight with an official statement putting an end to the rumors. In a statement issued by his spokesperson, Ranveer's team clarified, quote, "The news about Ranveer Singh acquiring rights to develop a new superhero project as the producer holds no truth. He is currently busy shooting for Aditya Dhar's next, and then Dawn 3 is also on the cards for him." Interestingly, veteran actor Mukesh Khanna, who immortalized the role of Shaktiman on Indian television, recently made headlines with his own version of events. In an interview with the news outlet, Khanna claimed that Ranveer had approached him personally and spent nearly 3 hours trying to gain his approval for the role. Quote, "That poor guy was sitting in front of me for 3 hours, but it doesn't reflect on his face what it needs to play Shaktiman. He looks fickle, as if he will con somebody, but he is a terrific actor. When I praised him, I mentioned that nobody else in the film industry has the energy like him, but I haven't approved him for the role."
रणवीर सिंह आज के जनरेशन के सक्सेसफुल एक्टर हैं, इसके बावजूद उनको आपने 2.5 घंटा बिठा के रखा। आप क्यों चाहते नहीं?
सर मैंने 2.5 घंटा नहीं बिठाया, वो बैठे, मैंने नहीं बिठाया।
अच्छा, one sec, before he answers
नहीं, let me answer this. He is actually ridiculing me कि मैंने उनको 2.5 घंटा क्यों बिठाया। साहब किसने कहा आपको मैंने इसको बिठाया? मेरे ऑफिस में आया था, we enjoyed your company. He is a terrific actor, terrific energy है। But शक्तिमान कौन बनेगा वो मैं डिसाइड करूँगा, एक्टर नहीं। देखो प्रोड्यूसर कास्टिंग करता है, एक्टर प्रोड्यूसर की कास्टिंग नहीं करता।
Khanna also added that a nude photo shoot by Singh contributed to his reservations.
आजकल मैंने अभी इवन पुष्पा के बारे में भी यही कहा है कि आप अश्लीलता मत दिखाइए।
Quote, "When I saw that photo shoot, I said, क्या कर रहा है यार? That was one of the big reasons that I started my aversions." In an exclusive interview with Midday, Mukesh Khanna emphasized that Shaktiman is a character deeply rooted in morals and values, and any portrayal must reflect that integrity. He also revealed that the revival of the project is facing delays due to the creative disagreements and the challenge of finding the right actor who can truly embody the spirit of the iconic superhero.
हमारे यहाँ पर यही होगा कि अगर शक्तिमान को, तो अगर आज भी कभी शक्तिमान बने, इनफैक्ट मैं आपने छेड़ दिया तो बता दूं, फिल्म भी बनाने जा रहे हैं, वहां पर मैंने दिखवाया है सोनी के साथ में, शक्तिमान के 7 आदर्शों को आप नहीं छेड़ेंगे। झूठ नहीं बोलना, चोरी नहीं करना, नशा नहीं करना, बड़ों का आदर करना, स्वावलंबी बनना। 7 आदर्श जो आजकल के तुम्हारी उम्र के बच्चे मेरे को बोलते हैं, सर हम लोग 7 आदर्शों पर जीते हैं आज भी सर। मैंने कहा इसको आप छेड़ोगे नहीं, आप बनाओगे शक्तिमान तो शक्तिमान की एक परिधि है, उसके बाहर जाके डिस्को शक्तिमान नहीं बना दोगे। क्यों डिले हो रहा है? इट्स बिकॉज आई हैव मेड देम कि आई विल सी टू इट कि शक्तिमान उन्होंने कहा कि आपसे हम कंसल्ट करेंगे।
As for Ranveer, the actor was last seen in Singham Again, alongside a powerhouse ensemble featuring Ajay Devgan, Kareena Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, Tiger Shroff and Deepika Padukone. The movie is the 3rd installment in Rohit Shetty's blockbuster Cop universe. Up next, Ranveer is currently shooting for Farhan Akhtar's much-anticipated Dawn 3. While excitement around the movie continues to build, the lead actress is yet to be finalized, especially after Kiara Advani reportedly stepped away from the project following a pregnancy announcement.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.